Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. This video, I'm going to show you how you can experiment with the pen blocks in your Nyan Cat simulator. So right now I've got it so that my cat is moving randomly across the screen. That's great. Now, in your project, you may or may not have the pen blocks right here. They look like these. If you don't have the pen blocks, you just go down to this little blue add extension button. You click on it and then just select on the one that says pen, and ta-da, you'll have those blocks inside your code. Now, what you're going to do in your project is you're going to experiment with these different blocks to see what they do. So you might be like, I don't know what this set pen color thing is, and then add it into your code, see what it does. Or, I don't know what the change does, etc. You can just simply drag it into it and then see what it does. Like, ooh, that's pretty cool. Maybe you want your code to do something like that, or maybe you want it to do something different. Experiment with it, have some fun, and enjoy working on your Nyan Cat simulator project. Hey everyone, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not watching us on YouTube, you can find us on that platform as well as other social media outlets by searching for BootUp PD. And if you're looking for more free lessons, projects, and resources for teachers and students, visit us at bootuppd.org, where you can also learn about our high-quality professional development.